All right, just looking at the slave cylinder on the hydraulic clutch. So it looks like the throwout bearing is already against the fingers on the clutch assembly, the spring fingers there. And this is about what it looks like on the slave cylinder. Now when I push the clutch in, you can see about how much travel I'm getting. It seems to be a fairly good amount, over an inch. And you can see what's happening in here, sort of. But it doesn't feel like the clutch is releasing until the very end of travel, like almost all the way out here. And even then it feels like it might be dragging a little bit compared to when I'm in neutral and I'm spinning the back tire. So I don't know if I need to extend this push rod further.